Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. From a plain reading of the aforesaid provision, it is evident that a person accused of an offence punishable with imprisonment for a term which may be less than 7 years or which may extend to 7 years with or without fine cannot be arrested by the police officer only on his satisfaction that such person had committed the offence punishable as aforesaid. A police officer, before arrest in such cases, has to be further satisfied that such arrest is necessary to prevent such person from committing any further offence or for proper investigation of the case or to prevent the accused from causing the evidence of the offence to disappear or tampering with such evidence in any manner or to prevent such person from making any inducement, threat or promise to a witness so as to dissuade him from disclosing such facts to the court or the police officer, or unless such accused persons is arrested. His presence in the court whenever required cannot be ensured. These are the conclusions which one may reach based on facts. The law mandates the police officer to state the facts and record the reasons in writing which led him to come to a conclusion covered by any of the provisions aforesaid. While making such arrest, the law further requires the police officers to record the reasons in writing for not making the arrest. In Pith and Core, the police officer before arrest must put a question to himself: why arrest? Is it really required? What purpose it will serve? What object it will achieve? It is only after these questions are addressed and one or the other conditions as enumerated above is satisfied, the power of arrest needs to be exercised. In fine, before arrest, first the police officers should have reason to believe on the basis of information and material that the accused has committed the offence. Apart from this, the police officer has to be satisfied further that the arrest is necessary for one or the more purposes envisaged by subclauses A to E of clause 1 of section 41 CRPC. An accused arrested without warrant by the police has the constitutional right under Article 22 within bracket 2 of the Constitution of India and section 57 CRPC to be produced before the magistrate without unnecessary delay and in no circumstances beyond 24 hours, excluding the time necessary for the journey. During the course of investigation of a case, an accused can be kept in detention beyond a period of 24 hours only when it is authorized by the magistrate in exercise of power under section 167 CRPC. The power to authorize detention is a very solemn function. It affects the liberty and freedom of citizens and needs to be exercised with great care and caution. Our experience tells us that it is not exercised with the seriousness it deserves. In many of the cases, detention is authorized in a routine, casual, and cavalier manner before a magistrate authorizes detention under section 167 CRPC. He has to be first satisfied that the arrest made is legal and in accordance with law and all the constitutional rights of the person arrested are satisfied. If the arrest effected by the police officer does not satisfy the requirements of section 41 of the code, magistrate is duty bound not to authorize his further detention and release the accused. In other words, when an accused is produced before the magistrate, the police officer effecting the arrest is required to furnish to the magistrate the facts, reasons, and its conclusions for arrest, and the magistrate in turn is to be satisfied that the condition precedent for arrest under section 41 CRPC has been satisfied, and it is only thereafter that he will authorize the detention of an accused.